I just got this farmhouse dresser from Amberhaus assembled. This is going to be the walnut color. Overall, this fits perfectly in my room. I am very happy. The assembly process was very easy and straightforward. All the directions were outlined very specifically, and also everything was nicely labeled for me, and they gave me all the tools that I needed to get this thing assembled. I was able to get this all assembled by myself, so you don't need any help. But if you are going to move it from room to room, I would suggest having somebody there to help you because it is pretty heavy. Here's what the finished product is going to look like. It's going to be full wood all the way around, even on the back of it, which I do love. I demo a lot of these and sometimes I skip out on the back, but not this one. The drawers on it are amazing too. They have a nice little slant to them, which gives it just a little more added character to this dresser, which I love. I also love the golden handles on it. They don't give a certain weight limit, but this thing is going to be able to handle pretty much anything. It is super sturdy. You cannot shake it. You cannot move it. It's not going to tip over on you or anything like that. Now for the actual storage of this dresser, the top three are going to be a little more shallow, while the bottom four drawers are going to be kind of bigger. So top can be for your underwear and socks, and bottom could be for your jeans, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and stuff like that. But overall, this works out awesome as a dresser. I could definitely see you using it as a TV stand in your living room and have more storage underneath, or maybe a TV stand in your bedroom. But I am very happy with this dresser. I give this thing 2 thumbs up. I'm super impressed with it.